Created by the Forerunners over 100,000 years ago, Halo was designed to be a wide-effect, neural disruption weapon capable of destroying any sentient life which might perpetuate the Flood parasite's existence. But this wasn't Halo's sole function. The enormous ringworld was also a structure 10,000 kilometers in diameter, engineered to support life on its interior surface. This part of Halo's architecture is believed to be of roughly the same constitution of a typical 1G planet, with large geographic formations and enormous bodies of water. All of this contained within a climate-controlled bed of atmosphere roughly 318 kilometers from one edge to the other. While intel suggests that the 7 known Halo installations representing the array each had their own distinctive environment conditions, the 2 best documented installations, 04 and 05, offered a large assortment of flora and fauna across their surface. Towering mountain ranges, enormous canyons, and vast swaths of desert terrain occupied their interiors, comprised of a rich intermingling of ecosystems. To the untrained eye, the facade of these ringworlds looks no different than that of many life-sustaining planets. Unsurprisingly, given their origin, the surface of a Halo ringworld is littered with Forerunner structures and technology. Enormous beacons, soaring spires, and immense complexes. Still, for the most part, these individual structures' overarching purpose and mechanism remain a mystery. And underneath Halo's outer strata exists a honeycombed labyrinth of interior structures, interconnected by bridges made of hard light, complex tunnel systems, and a vast teleportation grid. The surface of Halo is no small marvel. Its majestic architecture, its natural composition, and its sheer size offer only a hint at the Forerunners' technological mastery.